Babe.
What going?
Guess what? More pregnant.
What you say?
More pregnant.
Manai. Yo.
Babe.
Hello.
Babe. Babe. Oi.
Tear dog.
Thirsty
Oh
dog.
Jesus.
Well, me just a come from shop still.
And
I got the soda. When me boys ain't know us. All fast money that's slow bus. No one can control us. Yeah. Hola Tunje. Ooh yeah. When you like she from Africa. Ooh yeah. From Africa. Ooh yeah. Cut breath the wild fuck here, and right now we're in the Amazon jungle and we're gonna look for some exotic creatures. So come with me. Come on. The exotic creature, mate. Come and look. What is this?
Cut breath the wild fuck here again, and right now we're deep in the trenches of the Australian outbacks. Come with me. What is this? What? Oh my god! Very dangerous here in the outbacks. As I barely escape these gigantic spider webs. Oh my god, cut it off.
Among you look right, man, go pick it.
How that your pick? Why that?
I supposed to know jump out of the friggin' tree, my youth.
How a fruit I go?
Bossy me, you.
That your pick? Why that?
Man, with the blood.
cloth, you see the cloth, I cut myself. I wipe up the blood with the cloth, you see it? Oh, see it, I'm find the cloth. I can't too really now step my mother's house, you see me?
You feel me back I go crack before mine. Hey boy, don't look at me. Double 5 pound boy.
No, no, boy.
Go do it in my cup then.
Tell me that.
Hey.
Oh, Jesus, me back. God,
Oh, me?
Little boy go tell the girl that I like her.
You ever thinky, man?
Oh, bum. Oh, rascal.
Pog on MTV. Forward man. Weird. Take off your shoes, bad man. How mother kill me? You know something that's on the light, but you know JP steering, so just forward. Going on the fridge. Go on the fridge! Mommy, listen to the
Cut.
We're reporting for Type Brief News here. We are in Tiffany Garden. We're going to speak with one of the witnesses of the murder. Yo, I'm so going on, but yo, I endorse a thing called back shot at your favorite position, you see it? And my thing, you see it? Big up my baby mama. Yo, big up my mixtape. My way, I'm a tough fuck, give me everything.
No, dad, he's not that.
Give me everything!
He's not that. As Prime Minister of Jamaica, I will now legalize the rights of gay marriage in Jamaica. Yes, this will
When
be
you
passed
delegalize
as...
it, don't you read it? Who said that? Yeah, fool, about gay. Go ahead. Who said that? Go ahead.
Stop
Show your
I want
parent.
to find who I said that and I want you to tax him.
Tax your woman. Tax him. Your woman. Tax him.
From departing from the alliance from his well-known dad bounty killer, Vibes Cartel has been one of the most controversial artists. From being sex tapes and now bleaching. Vibes Cartel, how you doing?
Kevin, go wash up the plate them.
No, so come. What the hell that boy I talk to?
Mommy, sorry. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but from Saturday, mother say no come out time room, no. Timmy, what you doing here? Come eat some. Where you want to
Stay
eat?
out of my castle.
Come no me in the ramp in my youth.
Me bum.
Yo, come pick me.
No, man, why not so dark?
So every light in the house turn on. We not pay light bill. Just wait, man. I gotta cut it off. You think a JPS run things?
You see me girl, then me have to see the party in your weave.
What you mean?
Like Moses stepping at the sea. My girl, them black from them neck to them feet, face white like bread.
Jesus.
Without the wheat, my girl, them girl, them.
Where's Jesus?
Watch it.
Go and plant those corns, no? But now plant no more corn, you know? Batty boy. Oh! My friend, listen, we can work.
Working,
this out.
mama.
Listen. I'm sorry, that. Attack! Female studies 101.
I'm hungry. What you have to eat?
Mackerels.
Mac what? I'm gone on here.
See your girls stay, watch this now.
I'm hungry. What you have to eat?
Well, I have some tinned fish soaked in tomato juice.
Yeah, man.
Then I mix it with some sauteed onions and hot exotic pepper. Oh, yummy.